Hey again, everybody, and thank you so much for joining me on another episode of Practical Talk. Today, I'm going to teach you how to identify and attract thousands of prospects that fit your LinkedIn profile. Here's the deal. Entrepreneurs who seem to have everything figured out can still be at risk of closing their doors without a reliable way of bringing in new business. Having a reliable way to bring in new business is the difference between being successful and struggling. Do you ever feel like you're looking for a needle in a haystack when searching for new prospects on LinkedIn? I get it. It can feel that way, but it doesn't have to. You can quickly identify thousands of prospects that fit your perfect customer profile and fill your pipeline. So in this episode, I'm going to teach you a quick, easy, and free way to identify thousands of prospects. I know it sounds too good to be true, but the key to this strategy is something many people already use every single day. Are you ready for it? I'm going to take that as a yes. A quick, easy, and free way to find future clients on LinkedIn is by using hashtags. Yeah, the power of the hashtags. Take advantage of them, y'all. They're still super relevant. After hashtags became popular on social media for business and personal accounts, they were used so heavily that many forgot their actual purpose. Remember how people would use long, convoluted hashtags like hashtag beach day 2K16 with my gal pals? Hashtags that nobody else probably ever used, right? This technique was a fun cultural phenomenon for personal accounts, but for businesses, it had little effect on trying to reach an ideal audience. So here's the deal. Well-executed hashtags are one of the quickest ways to garner some extra online exposure and for free. They can make you stand out on LinkedIn. They can help you align with your brand with topical trending conversations. Just think about this. You're already taking the time to craft engaging visuals and copy for your social post. It only takes a few extra seconds to research what hashtags work best for your industry and pop a few at the end of your content. It's a tiny time investment, but it can pay off in spades. When scrolling through your social feed, you've probably observed a wide variety of brands using hashtags. So what works and what doesn't? Well, follow these 4 quick tips to start getting better results. First, use multiple hashtags. Don't just stick to one. And here's a cool tip. When you go to enter one hashtag, LinkedIn is going to try and help you out by serving you additional relevant hashtags. Scroll through what they're feeding you and see what applies to your brand and to your service and to your message, and click on a few. Use LinkedIn search to identify hashtag frequency. Place hashtags at the end of your content. Don't get clever here. Don't put hashtags in the middle of your sentence. To me, it looks sloppy, and you're also making me work. You're also making me read the pound symbol, that hashtag symbol plus the word. So it interrupts my flow, my train of thought, and you don't want to do that. So put your hashtags at the end of your content and go big and broad with a mix of general hashtags and niche hashtags. You can use your hashtags on your status updates, LinkedIn articles, and business page. Hashtags are all about making it easy for the right people to find and interact with your brand. What popular topics can you jump on to draw attention to your business? What niche interests are your target audience into? Answering these questions will help you allow to optimize your hashtag strategy. A natural-based beauty brand might find success jumping on the widespread hashtag no filter trend. Alternatively, they might access a niche audience by using hashtag vegan or even hashtag vegan makeup. Hashtags are your secret weapon, whether you're casting a big net or putting unique bait onto a singular hook. So what did we learn in this episode? Entrepreneurs who seem to have everything figured out can still be at risk without a reliable way of bringing in new business. And with hashtags, you can quickly identify thousands of prospects on LinkedIn that fit your ideal client profile and speak to them. By using hashtags and the right strategy, you can maximize your reach potential and find yourself showing up in front of thousands of potential customers and filling your pipeline. Shameless plug here. Tired of terrible Facebook ad performance? We'll help you generate leads and sales with our More Client system. We will make your purpose and passion your number one goal. We will optimize your messaging by getting to know your market. We reach more people by leveraging audiences where your perfect customer hangs out, and we engage your local community into becoming your next customer. If you're interested and you want to learn more, text the word more to 717-288-9969 to get started. By the way, this is in our show notes in case you're driving. Text more to 717-288-9969 to get started. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy posting. I'm Heather Holloway, and you've been listening to Practical Talk. Thank you so much for being here. It means the world to me and my team. Hey, remember, check the show notes for resources and links to other episodes. And don't forget, new episodes are released every Wednesday.